Best iPhones in 2022. Which iPhone should you buy? If you're looking for the best iPhones to get right now, Apple's lineup is set for at least another couple of months. And thanks to the spring edition of the iPhone SE, 2022, to Apple's lineup, you've got a more affordable 5G-ready option to consider if you're already overwhelmed by the rising cost of living. Still, the cream of the crop among Apple's handsets remains the 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max, currently the best phone overall. But the rest of the iPhone 13 lineup delivers improvements over past iPhones, making any of those devices a good pickup in their own right. With the iPhone 13, iPhone SE and older iPhone 12 models still available, which one should you pick? That's what our best iPhones list is for, whether you're a longtime iPhone fan or just making the switch from Android to iPhone. We can also tell you whether to buy an iPhone now or wait for the iPhone 14. What are the best iPhones? As we noted at the start, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is the best iPhone you can buy, a nearly perfect phone thanks to its stellar cameras, adaptive display and long battery life. Pick up this $1,099 phone, the same price Apple charged for last year's champ, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and you won't be disappointed. Want something a little less expensive? At $799, the iPhone 13 is the best iPhone for most people. While it lacks the dynamically adjusting displays of the iPhone 13 Pro models, its cameras are powerful enough in their own right. Throw in an improved battery, brighter display and that powerful A15 chip, and Apple's got another great choice in its iPhone 13 lineup. The iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 mini have their own distinct appeal, although it sounds like mini iPhones are on their way out. Apple's kept around 2 members of 2020's iPhone 12 family. You can buy either the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 mini for $100 less than their iPhone 13 counterparts. The iPhone 12 mini, in particular, stands out as a great value, as it now costs less than $600. The iPhone 11, $499, gives you a low-cost option, while the $429 iPhone SE, 2022, is now Apple's least expensive 5G phone. Here's a look at reasons to buy or skip the new iPhone SE. If you can wait until September or October before getting a new iPhone, the iPhone 14 figures to bring more improvements, particularly to the iPhone 14 Pro models. Our best guess at the iPhone 14 release date is early September. Here's a closer look at potential iPhone 14 versus iPhone 13 differences. It may be summer, but school will be back in session soon enough, which means that you should check out any back-to-school sales to see if there are any discounts on the best iPhones. While Apple's back-to-school promo concentrates on Macs and iPads, other retailers and wireless carriers may offer iPhone deals for anyone looking to pick up a new iPhone, whether you're a student or not. With new iPhones coming in the fall, you might find deals on current models as retailers and carriers look to clear space for the iPhone 14. Be sure to follow our back-to-school guide for all of your shopping needs this season. There's no topping the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the best iPhone Apple currently offers in a near-perfect device. Pick a category, and the iPhone 13 Pro likely dominates it. The phone adds an adaptive display that can automatically scale its refresh rate from 10 Hz to 120 Hz depending on what task you're performing. That, combined with a larger battery and efficient at15 Bionic processor, helped the iPhone 13 Pro Max last more than 12 hours on our battery test, an outstanding time. Those features are all impressive, but the truly great thing about the iPhone 13 Pro Max may be its cameras. The setup is the same as before, with 3 rear lenses, but Apple has turned to bigger sensors to let in more light, with the ultra-wide-angle shooter particularly adept at teasing color and detail out of the dark areas of shots. The telephoto lens is better too, with the iPhone 13 Pro Max now supporting a 3x optical zoom. You'd have to search pretty hard to find many flaws with this phone, and they're mostly about things we wish Apple would have added, like some form of Touch ID. But the iPhone 13 Pro Max features that are there impress and reaffirm Apple's place as the industry-leading phone maker. The best iPhone for most people will be the $799 iPhone 13, which properly balances a more affordable price with some stellar features. By skipping the more expensive Pro line, you won't get the fast refreshing displays, but there are enough great features here to make the iPhone 13 a worthy upgrade from any past iPhone.